Hello friends, welcome to your remote learning day on Wednesday, September 23rd. Everything is laid out here for you. So the first thing is your Zoom meetings. You need to click here for the 8:45 Zoom meeting and click here for the 12:05 meeting. Remember, for College Go Week, it is hat day, so feel free to wear a hat all day or on your Zoom meetings. After you watch this video, you can also start your morning work before or after the Zoom. So if you can get it done before, that's great. If you can't get it done until after, no problem. Just go ahead and click this link to go to your morning work. Then you've got office hours. So here are my office hours. This is when I promise to be in my room and answer a phone call, or if you need me to Zoom with you to explain something, I can also do that. So I have 9 to 10 o'clock and then 12:30 to 1:30. So feel free to call me or message me during those times, and I can do my best to help you through whatever is going on. So you've got your math page. After our Zoom meeting, you'll complete math. So some more stuff will be uploaded here. You've got science and social studies, so you've got a YouTube video and a seesaw assignment. Phonics will not be available until after our afternoon Zoom meeting, so if you don't see it this morning, don't worry. It will be there. So here's your phonics directions. You need to watch this before you do your spelling and your ed, ing endings. There are not direction videos in those seesaw assignments. The direction video is right here. And I've got a quick welcome video for ELA and your one assignment for ELA. And then you'll head over to music, or you will go to music. Now, when you click this, click on his Power School page. You have assignments for in-person students, so you can go there. And then you'll have, I believe you'll be getting onto Quaver. So as soon as this is updated for 9/23, you can go to that and do the assignment. So make sure you go to assignments for in-person students. And if you don't know how to get onto Quaver, you don't remember, Mr. Peterson has a little tutorial about how to get into that. So you log into Clever, find his page. So he has assignments that, or directions for how to get in if you're not sure what to do. So that is music. And after music, that's the end of your day. So go ahead and work through everything at your own pace. Make sure you complete all of your assignments. And I hope you have a successful e-learning day.